What is up, guys? It's definitely been a minute. This is a little kind of a fix-it video regarding the PRL high volume intake, which would be this little piece right here. So this is pretty much your Evap, which connects off of the inlet tube. Well, not the inlet tube, but the inlet. I guess you could say where the intake connects to the actual filter. There's like a on this part that comes with the kit. There's like a triangle, like the billet part. And the problem is that I got this. The other one I have is rubbing on the coolant line, the engine bay, and I'll show you that here real fast. But this is supposed to be the fix to that. So you can already see the difference between the two. This one, the original one, has the triangular bracket. You can see that it's rubbing. They actually put a piece of heat tape there to stop it from rubbing because it's definitely touched a little bit. So if I take this out, this is supposed to change that whole system to where I won't have that issue anymore. I don't know, I tried every which way to twist this side and this side. Can't seem to really get it to have enough space to where it's not going to rub in that spot, but this is the only resort that luckily PRL had made. So I'm going to probably put the head cam on and switch this out. Man, it's hot. Damn. It's been on for over an hour. So I just gotta take these off here. And then this bottom one off. And then it should technically come off. Hopefully. It's still really hot. Oh my god. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, that's hot. So you can actually see the difference here where it was actually rubbing on the one spot. So you can see where I have it wrapped around. But I'm probably still going to keep that there just in case. But you can see, I don't know if this tube itself is just awkward. When it was made, I have no clue. But hopefully this resolves my issue with that rubbing. And we're going to see. This one on, have this one on, and this should literally just go down in there. Actually, that goes under. This should just literally slide in there. Then these hose clips come around. And that should be the fix. And already at all, yeah, there's way more room. I can already see that now. Looks way better with that piece on there. It was sketching me out because I didn't want it to keep rubbing on there, because you can kind of see where the little triangle piece was hitting right here and it was taking away some of the paint. But I just didn't want that to keep rubbing to where it was going to be an issue. But other than that, it turned out super good. Car's looking super good too. Ooh, there's one more thing. I don't know if a lot of people have seen this, but I actually took this like red camo wrap and did the inside, and I did the doors as well. I think it gives a nice little touch. I was supposed to do my girlfriend's car. I'm trying to, but hers has like the rigid, like raised trim pieces. We tried to put like a shiny black on there before and it didn't really work, so we're gonna try something new. But other than that, I'm just glad that piece fixed my issue with the car. But other than that, this is a small little video for that little fix in the engine bay. And if any of you guys are having these problems, I will link this this piece down in the I'll link this piece down in the description below if any of you guys are having the problem. You want to get rid of the same issue, this is definitely 100% a fix. And I had to put tape here because it was rubbing on the hood at that time. But other than that, this car sits really good for being on stock height. But another thing I did do is I did order some Swiss Sport springs. They are actually on back order. They've been on back order for a little while. So whenever those come in, I'm definitely gonna do that. It's been 3 weeks since I've ordered those. So whenever those come in, I'll be doing a video on that too. But other than that, this will probably be it for this video. She's looking good, but just a small little PRL intake issue fix. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video.